So in the last video we had a look at yet another system tool also known as YaST from SUSE Linux on OpenSUSE Tumbleweed. So today we are going to have a look at YaST on a terminal. So YaST is having a graphical user interface and also a terminal based text based interface. So if you are not having a graphical user interface in your server install or your Linux install, you can use YaST in text based or command line mode, or else if you like to use YaST in your terminal emulator, you can also do that. In order to do that, just type sudo YaST2 and hit enter. Type your root password or super user password. So this is the YaST TUI. So if you want to navigate from this side to another side, you can press the tab key. If you want to go back, you can press shift and tab to switch. So if you press tab, you will move to right. If you press shift and tab, you will go back or to left. For example, if you are here in this first window, if you press tab, you will go clockwise. If you go again, you will go in clockwise direction. If you press shift and tab, you will go counterclockwise. If you want to go inside any of this, just hit enter. If you want to go through the software management, just hit enter. So this will do an initial update repo. So you can do an alt plus the highlighted color in yellow. So if you do alt plus S, this will automatically skip for me. So here you can see I'm having this S for skip. S is highlighted in yellow color. Here we have K, here we have Y. So if I press alt plus S, it will skip. Now in this one we are having this O highlighted in yellow. So if we press alt plus O, it's going to do OK for us. So it's very easy to navigate inside YaST TUI. So go right by tab, go back by shift tab. If you want to change something, like if you want to search some package over here, you can do that. If you want to change the view, like when we had the view, like we saw we can see patterns. So in order to do that, here we have this filters. So if you want to go inside the filters, you can use alt F here. So you can see the F is highlighted in yellow color. So if you see alt, if you press alt and F, filter will be selected automatically. So if you choose patterns, you can pick whichever you want. So you can do tab. You can use arrow keys also to go up and down. You can use tab. If you do space, you will cancel the selection. If you do space again, it will select the package. You get the idea. So if you want to accept and install something new, just press alt and A. I'm sorry. If you press alt and A, here you can see the highlighted color is A. So if you press alt and A, it will automatically accept. If you press alt plus C, it will automatically cancel your selection and go back to everything as normal. So we are going to cancel this. So alt plus C, we are back. So you can do like pretty much all the modifications that you can do in YaST GUI also in YaST TUI. So if you want to configure your network, your security services like your firewall, just navigate to your firewall and hit enter. So you have these configurations. So if you want to reload or something, you can do that over here. So currently it's selected. So if you want to reload or restart or stop your firewall, you can select that from here, and all you need to do is press Alt and A to accept the changes. So for example, we need to reload the firewall, so we select reload, then we are going to say press Alt and A to accept. So the changes have been done. Similarly, if you go to security center, or if you want to go back, you can press Alt and B here. So you can see B was highlighted. So if you press Alt and B at that stage, it will go back. If you want to see the description of something, like if you don't see anything selected over here, you can press tab to move, and so you will get a selection automatically. If you want to see like some sort of description of something you selected, you can press Alt and D, so it will give you a description what this selected package is or selected part is. And if you want to press OK, you just type Alt and O. Similarly, you can do all those functions which are available in YaST GUI in the YaST TUI. So in order to move clockwise, you do a tab. In order to move counterclockwise, you do a shift and a tab. In order to go inside, you can press enter. In order to skip, Alt S, that is whichever is highlighted in yellow color in the text. So Alt S, Alt S, Alt S, done. Alt O. So if you want to cancel something, you can, here we can see the C is highlighted in yellow, so we can go Alt and C. Consider like this is in YaST, Alt is kind of like the super key, and all the other options are highlighted in yellow color for you.